rivers flow, where the valleys dance with the wind's gentle blow. Karbi, Anglong, where our hearts belong. In your arms we find our song. Oh, karbi, Anglong, our land of green, where the forests whisper and the skies are serene. In every leaf, in every stone, we find our peace. We call it home. We call it home. The karbi drums beat through the night. Where the moon shines bright. In our dances and in our songs, we carry the spirit that's been strong for so long. Oh, karbi, Anglong, our land of green, where the forests whisper and the skies are serene. In every leaf, in every stone, we find our peace. We call it home. We call it home. From deep whose quiet roads to Katiranga's roar, we cherish the land that we adore. With every sunrise, a promise is made to protect this land, our heritage, our share.